Hello, everyone. Welcome to Flowspace 101 Vocabulary Flow. Today we are learning Orange Level Unit 18. We will study 12 new vocabulary words. The words are abide, contrast, depress, dismal, dispose, exaggerate, indifferent, jubilant, manual, originate, recognition, and tribute. Let's read, think, and grow together. Let's get started. Our first word is abide. Say it with me, abide. Abide is a verb. It can mean to live in a place. It can also mean to put up with something or to follow a rule or plan. For example, most camels abide in a desert environment. Another example is, our team has to abide by our coach's plan. Some synonyms are live, stay, reside, tolerate, and accept. Some antonyms are leave, reject, and resist. Think about this. What rules do you need to abide by at school? Our next word is contrast. Say it with me, contrast. Contrast can be a noun and a verb. As a noun, contrast means a difference between things being compared. As a verb, it means to compare for differences. For example, today's beautiful weather is in sharp contrast to yesterday's storm. Another example is, I used a chart to compare and contrast the two main characters. Some synonyms are difference, distinction, variation, and differentiate. Some antonyms are likeness, similarity, and compare for sameness. Think about this. Can you contrast summer and winter? Our next word is depress. Say it with me, depress. Depress is a verb. It means to make someone sad. It can also mean to discourage. For example, watching a sad movie may depress you. Another example is, bad news can depress a person's mood. Some synonyms are upset, sadden, discourage, and lower. Some antonyms are comfort, encourage, cheer, and lift up. Think about this. What can help someone feel better when they feel depressed? Our next word is dismal. Say it with me, dismal. Dismal is an adjective. It means dreary, gloomy, or showing a lack of hope. For example, the weather this week has been rainy and dismal. Another example is, the empty street looked dismal on the cold night. Some synonyms are bleak, miserable, drab, gloomy, and dreary. Some antonyms are hopeful, cheerful, bright, and joyful. Think about this. What kind of situation might feel dismal? Our next word is dispose. Say it with me, dispose. Dispose is a verb. It means to put something in a certain place. It can also mean to arrange or organize. For example, we were told to dispose our bags under our seats. Another example is, please dispose the books neatly on the shelf. Some synonyms are arrange, order, organize, and place. One antonym is disturb. Think about this. How do you dispose your school supplies neatly? Our next word is exaggerate. Say it with me, exaggerate. Exaggerate is a verb. It means to make something seem larger, better, worse, or more important than it really is. For example, some fishermen exaggerate the size of the fish they catch. Another example is, he exaggerated the story to make it sound exciting. Some synonyms are overstate, inflate, magnify, and stretch the truth. Some antonyms are minimize, reduce, understate, and tell exactly. Think about this. Why do people sometimes exaggerate stories? Our next word is indifferent. Say it with me, indifferent. Indifferent is an adjective. It means having or showing a lack of interest. For example, I am indifferent when it comes to the school lunch menu. That means I do not really care much either way. Another example is, he seemed indifferent to the noisy argument. Some synonyms are uninterested, uncaring, unconcerned, and apathetic. Some antonyms are concerned, caring, interested, and attentive. Think about this. What can make a person seem indifferent? Our next word is jubilant. Say it with me, jubilant. Jubilant is an adjective. It means showing great joy or excitement. For example, the team was jubilant when it won the championship game. Another example is, the children felt jubilant after the surprise party. Some synonyms are glad, delighted, joyful, and thrilled. The antonym is disappointed. Think about this. When do you feel jubilant? Maybe when you win a game, finish a big project, or hear good news. Our next word is manual. Say it with me, manual. Manual can be a noun or an adjective. As a noun, manual means a book of instructions or a handbook. For example, most appliances come with a manual. As an adjective, manual means involving the use of the hands. For example, construction workers generally do a lot of manual work. Some synonyms are guide, handbook, reference book, hand-operated, and hands-on. Some antonyms are automatic and mechanical. Think about this. When have you used a manual? Our next word is originate. Say it with me, originate. Originate is a verb. It means to bring into being, to begin, or to create. For example, many chefs originate new food dishes. Another example is, great ideas can originate from teamwork. Some synonyms are create, begin, start, and invent. Some antonyms are finish, end, and stop. Think about this. Where do ideas originate? What can you originate on your own? Our next word is recognition. Say it with me, recognition. Recognition is a noun. It means the act of recognizing something. It can also mean acknowledgement of achievement. For example, the scientist received an award in recognition of his discovery. Another example is, her hard work earned recognition from the teacher. Some synonyms are identification, appreciation, credit, and acknowledgement. Some antonyms are ignorance and criticism. Think about this. Why is recognition important? How can we recognize someone's effort? Our last vocabulary word is tribute. Say it with me, tribute. Tribute is a noun. It means something given to show thanks, praise, or respect. It can also mean a compliment. For example, the class made a tribute poster for their teacher. Another example is, the speech was a tribute to the volunteers' hard work. Some synonyms are praise, acknowledgement, honor, and compliment. Some antonyms are blame and criticism. Think about this. Who deserves a tribute in your community? How can words become a tribute? Great job, everyone! You finished Orange Level Unit 18. Let's review all 12 words together. Abide, contrast, depress, dismal, dispose, exaggerate, indifferent, jubilant, manual, originate, recognition, and tribute. Today, we learned words about feelings, ideas, actions, and respect. Try to use these words in your own sentences. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and share. Keep reading, keep thinking, and keep growing with FlowSpace 101 Vocabulary Flow. See you in the next lesson. Bye.